Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Surbhi and I post beauty and grooming related videos every week. Today I'm going to show you my go-to 5 summer hairstyles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content because that motivates me to do much better. So let's start with the first hairstyle. So I'm going to comb my hair to get rid of tangles if any, and by the way I'm going to use hair extension for 4 hairstyles except the first and last one, so this one is without any hair extension. Here with the help of my index finger I made a section of my hair. I basically separated my crown hair from the rest of the hair, as you can see. And now I flip the sectioned hair from the rest so that they don't get tangled while tying them. And here I'm tying the sectioned part of the hair. And there we have our first hairstyle. Pretty simple and go-to. If you want, you can take out pieces of hair around your ear, but that's totally optional. So this is how it looks. Now let's move on to the next hairstyle, my favorite one. I have my hair extension on now and I'm running my fingers through the front section so that they look a bit messy. And yeah, we need a scarf for this hairstyle. I'm twisting it so that it doesn't look too broad once I place it on my head. So now I've placed it on my head, and you can take any scarf of your choice depending on the length of your hair. Here I am telling you to make 3 sections of your hair to make a simple normal braid, just like this. And I'm braiding my hair. And at the end you just need to tie a knot on the scarf, just like this. And you're done. Isn't that the simplest and the cutest hairstyle? Tell me in the comments below. There you have it. I just love this hairstyle. And now the third hairstyle. It has 2 variants, so we make a side partition. If you want, you can also make a middle partition. Now I'm taking a chunk of hair from the front section and then I'll twist it. I'll just twist the front section just like this, and then I'll start adding small pieces of hair into the existing chunk and twist them together just like this. Then I'll again add some hair to it and will continue doing that till I reach to my ear like this. Then just roll the length of your hair and clip it at the back. Now I'm repeating the same on the other side also, rolling the hair and clipping it at the back. It's very simple, very go-to. And I'm clipping it at the back. And there we have it. You can of course use the pin of your choice to tuck your hair. This is how it looks. And now this is the second way to do it, in which the twisting part will appear more precise and neat. So I have again taken a chunk of hair and now I will divide it into 2 parts. So I'm twisting the 2 parts together, and again I'll start adding piece of hair to the front section of my hair and then will twist them together. I will continue repeating the step till I reach to my ear. And unlike the previous hairstyle, here I will twist the 2 parts of the length of my hair just like this so that it looks neat. Now see, you can actually see the twists, and if you want you can pull them a bit. Now I'm repeating the same on the other side and will clip them at the back. So this is how it looks. It looks more clean, more neat. The fourth hairstyle, here I'm parting the front section and I'm basically trying to make a rectangular shape here. There I have it. Now I'm tying the sectioned hair with the hair tie and then we'll clip the hair on the side so that they don't bother me while I'll start making a French braid in the front middle section. So yeah, you heard me right. I will be making a French braid in the middle part in the partition. So I divided the hair into 3 sections and started making a French braid. So you just need to take hair from the middle partition, that rectangular shape that you just made. It looks so pretty if done correctly. And then I braided the rest part of the sectioned hair and tied it with the help of a hair tie. And this is how it looks. It looks very pretty. Just like this. And now the last hairstyle and one of my current favorite as well. So this will be a low sleek bun. For this I am making a middle partition and I'm not using hair extension for this one as well. Then just make sure that your hair look as sleek as possible from the front. Now I'm tying my hair into a low ponytail and after that I will twist all the hair and will wrap them around the hair tie in a bun just like this. And then with the help of another hair tie that matches my hair color, I will secure my bun. So it will look something like this. So very easy to make and you can wear this hairstyle anywhere with almost everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye bye.